And the race on. Ian's Melody. From the outside, moving up by the row, is Lisa's Magic. And under further outside, Princess Julian. Running by the row is Moonraker. At Gossip is racing in fifth from the outside. Rushing up, You Belong to Me. Lisa's Magic, Princess Julian, Moonraker. You Belong to Me on the outside. Ian's Melody. And as they race the last 500, Lisa's Magic, Princess Julian, at Gossip, racing on the outside. Moonraker. On the further outside is Mike Dancer. You Belong to Me as they race the last 250. Princess Julian is on the outside. Lisa's Magic moving up by the road is Maglev, and on the further outside had Gossip and Jalen Diamond, and nearing the finish line, Princess Julian, Jalen Diamond at Gossip, Moonraker, close, Lisa's Magic, Maglev. Ang galing niya.